meditation. Before we start, let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now please okay, what did you say? Yes, minal aidin wal faizin. So when we should say it? Yes, in Eid Mubarak, Eid Shawwal. Okay, and if we can meet, so we can say it by verbally and by video call and by phone. It's okay. So I want to tell you for another way. Do you want to know? Okay, teach you about another way how to say minal aizin wal faizin. Okay? Look at this. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is it card. You can make it card to give to your parents, to your sister, to your brother, and to your friends. Okay? Do you want to make this? If you want to make it card, you need buffalo, 2 different color and different size. So you need 4 circle, different size and different color and different size. So this is glue, scissor and marker. Okay, you have to make 4 circle. You may use the glass or coin, so up to you. This is already 4 circles. So please cut it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make the different size. Okay, more than small. Okay, this is to make 4. Okay, after this is 4. In these steps, you have to stick green pepper and put on the blue pepper. Okay, do it until finish. Yes. Okay. Yes, until finish. finish. In this step, we put the small pepper. Please stick here. So please keep the glue. Okay. And you have to pay attention with the middle. Okay. Yes. And under pepper, please give glue. Please stick here. Okay. How many divided? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So like in this step, the pepper like this, and please stick the circle in on every divide. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, please it's up to you. If Miss Suti will write Minal Aizin wal Faizin, and Miss Suti draw. This is the masjid. And here, mohon maaf lahir dan batin. And this is Miss Suti draw the ketupat. Okay. This is up to you. You can draw everything. Okay. And like this. So for the cover, you have to stick the different color and more than small. Okay. And for another color, you can draw first like masjid. You draw masjid maybe. Okay. After this, please draw it. This is easy. Okay, if difficult, you have to ask your mom to help you. Okay. And stick on the glue. On the blue paper, on the blue cover. Okay. And you can draw something and you can decorate it like this. So please up to you. Okay. Ta-da! Very easy. I promise you can do it. Okay. Okay. After this, Say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Remember please, I waiting for you in sisa about your activity. Okay?